Hello everyone and welcome to LearnTech. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can create a QR code for a website or a link. There is a very simple way to do that by using free add-ins of Microsoft Office package. So you can create a QR code by using Word, PowerPoint or Excel app. In this video I'll create a QR code for my YouTube channel, but you can use any link or any website that you want. So let's get started and let's open Word application. The steps are pretty much the same if you do this also in PowerPoint or in Excel. So once you have opened your Word app, you need to go over the tabs over here and you click over Insert. And then you can see these two options here which says Get Add-ins or My Add-ins. In our case, we need to get a new add-in. So we click over Get Add-ins. And here we need to search for QR code add-ins. So we just type here QR code generator or just QR code. And then we click over this loop here to search. There are many QR code generators that you can use, but the one that I like is this one, QR for Office. So once you find this one, you click over add and then you click over continue over here. So now this add-in will show on the right of your Word application. Even if you close it by clicking over here, you can find now this add-in by going over my add-ins. And once you are here, you just click over this QR for Office add-in and then you click over add and it will show again here on the right. So here we have all the possibilities that we can create a QR code. So in my case, the URL is going to be HTTPS. So we click over HTTPS. Now let's go over my YouTube and let's copy the link. So we copy the link. You can do this for any kind of website that you want. And then we paste over here. We remove the first part of the link HTTPS because it's already over here. And here you can define what kind of color you want to have this QR code, the background, what kind of color. I'm gonna keep the standard one, black and white, and then you can specify here the size of your QR code, and here it's gonna show you approximately what's gonna be the size. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, and then you click over insert. And then here we are, the QR code, it's ready and created over here. And then you have the possibility to save this QR code as a picture. So we click over the QR code with the right of the mouse and then we choose this option, save as a picture. So let's open now this picture. So we click over it. So this is the QR code that it will send me to my YouTube channel. I will show you quickly how you can do the same on your PowerPoint. So let's open PowerPoint. Once you have opened your PowerPoint, you just need to click over Insert and then you go over Add-ins, you click over Get Add-ins, and here you write the same thing, QR code generator. You search for it. Once you find the QR code add-ins, you click over Add and then you press over Continue and then it will show here on the right. So here I write my link, I remove the HTTPS which is in front of it. I do all the specification that I need over here and then I click over Insert. In this case, it's a little bit small, but you can always increase it by just doing this. And then you click over it with the right of the mouse and you choose save as a picture. But also always you can copy this and put it in a Word or whatever file format that you want to use. And then you share it or you do whatever is necessary with it. So let's scan this with my phone and let's see how it looks. So let's open the camera of my phone and let's scan this. So it will show like YouTube and we click over this one here. And here we are now, I'm redirected to my YouTube channel. So basically that's all that you need to do in order to create a free QR code by using Office package. Thanks a lot for watching and please do not forget to subscribe. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.